Hey everyone, today we are making ganache-filled pistachio cupcakes for Father's Day, and I'm going to walk you through an easy scratch recipe. First, you'll preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, in the bowl of a stand mixer, you'll add 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup plus 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1/4 plus 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 2 1/4 teaspoons baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, and 4 tablespoons pistachio pudding mix. Turn your mixer on to the lowest level to combine your dry ingredients, and then in a separate bowl, you'll combine 2 whole eggs with 3 egg whites plus 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together and set them aside. You'll then return to your mixer and pour in 3/4 cup buttermilk, 1 1/2 sticks of softened unsalted butter, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Be sure to cube your butter before adding it in so that it distributes more evenly throughout your mixture. Turn your mixer on and slowly increase the speed as the dry ingredients begin to hydrate. You may need to turn your mixer off and lift the head to scrape off any unincorporated chunks of butter. After mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll lower your mixer speed and pour in your egg mixture. You'll maintain a lower speed to allow your mixture to begin to homogenize, and then increase the speed to beat in some air for another 2 to 3 minutes. And since we want the green color from the pudding to really pop, I am adding in a drop of lime masked early to the batter while it's mixing. After your batter becomes completely homogeneous, remove the bowl from the mixer and fold in 3/4 cup chopped pistachios. Then once you've finished folding your batter, pour it into a piping bag to fill the cupcake pan. Make sure to pipe a consistent amount so that your cupcakes bake evenly. Bake your cupcakes for approximately 15 to 17 minutes and check with a toothpick for doneness. If your toothpick comes out clean after inserting, your cupcakes are done and can be set aside to cool. In the meantime, bring 1 cup of heavy cream to a boil and pour over 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Allow the milk to set for a few minutes and then mix until smooth. Chill your ganache in the freezer until it's set and easy to scoop. After your cupcakes have cooled, you'll use 2 small spoons and a piping tip to make holes for your ganache filling. Using the tip, push into the center of the cupcake and press down about halfway, then scoop out about a teaspoon of ganache into the hole. Top each cupcake with frosting and then decorate. I'm using a combination of blue and green sprinkles along with some chocolate mustaches, but you can use anything to customize these cupcakes for your dad on Father's Day. These little guys came out so cute, and I can't wait to share them with my dad. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for being Team Sugar Art.